Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin's editing, and today we are going to show you how you can write Bangla in any Adobe softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator or Premiere Pro. So to start writing Bangla, you have to install one software that is called Obro, which is completely free. Just go to omicronlab.com and download the Obro software. And the next thing you need is some Bangla fonts. So install some Bangla fonts already. So you need two things, one is Obro and some Bangla fonts. And after installing the Obro, just launch it. So after launching the Obro, go to the Bangla. Right now I'm using Photoshop and going for some Bangla font. So you can see the Bangla doesn't come out as we want it. So this will happen if you use Obro straight into Photoshop or any other software. What you have to do, you'll click the settings gear here and you will see Unicode to Bijoy text converter. Click this one and you will see two different places to put text. So type your desired text here in the first box. Make sure you selected the Bangla and then type it. Then press convert to Bijoy encoding, and this one, copy this one, make the text in Photoshop and make sure you are using a Bangla font. Bangla is working perfectly. So all you need to do is translate the Unicode to Bijoy encoding text and then copy paste it to any Adobe software. So this one Photoshop, let's try it on the Illustrator. So let's copy this text, paste it here. It's not working, so change the font into Bangla. That's it. Any Bangla font you use, it's gonna work. So let's start the Premiere Pro and see. Pretty much this is the same thing. So we are on the Premiere Pro software. Let's make a new text. What was the font name? And you can see the Bangla also working in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically this is how you can use Bangla in any Adobe software and also other software that supports font. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial and I'll see you in the next video.